Let's start composting with the Gobble Mini. Place the Gobble Mini on a hard, flat surface. Take up the tap and attach it to the pipe on the side. This will collect leachate from Gobble Mini every day. Take a folded sheet of newspaper and place it at the base of the Gobble Mini. Remember to tuck it in properly. Tuck the plastic sheet in place and close the door. Make sure the newspaper and sheet are in place. Now we can use remix powder. Take 2 handfuls of remix powder and spread it over the newspaper. Remember, 2 handfuls. Your Gobble Mini is now ready to take up waste. Cut the big pieces of waste into smaller pieces. This helps in faster composting. Collect your daily waste and bring it to the Gobble Mini. Let's start composting. Take a spoonful of microbes powder and add it to the waste. And 2 handfuls of remix powder to the waste and mix it well. This will prevent soggy and smelly compost. Add this waste into the Gobble Mini. Make sure it is spread evenly. Cover the waste evenly with 2 handfuls of remix powder. Make sure the waste is covered properly. Clean the Gobble Mini and the surrounding area to prevent pests and flies. Place a bowl near the tap. Keep the tap open for at least 2 hours to collect leachate every day. Add your waste and cover with remix powder every day. The Gobble Mini will fill up in approximately 21 days. Once it is full, the waste at the bottom will be ready to harvest. Spread a tarpaulin sheet in front of the Gobble Mini. Open the door and plastic sheet and start taking the compost out. Rich, nutritious compost is now ready for your plants. Push the waste down in the Gobble Mini to make space for the new waste. You can continue composting in the Gobble Mini. Happy composting!